You are welcome once again for accountancy class grade 12. Okay. So we are discussing the chapter number 1 as accounting for share capital. So I hope that you are learning the preparation of the journal entries as issued at par, then issued at premium. Okay. As the previous class. So today we are going to discuss very important discussion. So what is that? So over subscription of shares. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of over subscription of shares? Okay. So when the number of shares applied for is more than the number of shares offered for subscription. For example, the company issued some 50,000 shares, but the public as a shareholders applied more than the issued shares. That's what here. More than the number of shares offered for subscription. Maybe they can apply for 70,000. So this is called over subscription. So we are going to give the treatment according to accounting for the share capital. That's what very important for over subscription of shares. Okay, I repeat once again. When the number of shares applied, applied is more than, again, the number of shares offered or for subscription. That's what the applied and offered. When the offered is more than applied, not an issue. Okay. So when the applied is more than the offered, what will happen? So naturally coming under over subscription. That's what here. Number of shares applied, maybe 70,000 shares. But actually how much are issued? Issued only 50,000. That's what we can consider into three alternatives according to the over subscription of shares. Okay. Let's see one by one. What are the three alternatives? So alternative number 1. Suppose in this situation what you will do? Okay. What is the first alternative? See here, some applications are accepted in full. Okay. And the excess application are rejected. And their application money is refunded. So that is called, this type of alternative is called rejection of application. Okay. Now I will explain the example. See, for example, actually issued is here, issued share is maybe 50,000 shares. Okay. Actually applied. So application received. Application received. How much? It is 70,000 shares. Okay. In this situation, simply what you have to do? Some applications are accepted in full. As usual, the entire 50,000. Okay. The excess application are rejected. But what is the excess? So 70,000 applied. The actually issued how much? Only 50,000. The excess is 20,000. Okay. This excess application is what? Rejected. And whatever money received for this particular application, refunded. Okay. That's what very important for the first alternative. So I repeat once again. Actually issued share is 50,000 number of shares. So the public applied, they are ready to buy the shares more than the issued shares. That is 70,000 shares. So simply what you will do, so whoever come the first 50 application, we accepted. Remaining 20 shares applied, they just rejected and refunded. Okay, that's what your first alternative. Very easy one. So whatever issued, they accepted, balance money, application money rejected and refunded. That's what the very important point, first alternative cases. So what is the second alternative cases? Here, all applications are allotted shares in proportion. This is very important. All applications are allotted shares in proportion. Okay. So what is the meaning? Simple. That is partial or pro rata allotment. That is called partial or pro rata allotment. So in the same example, here we will explain. Here issued. Okay. Here issued shares. Here applied shares. So how they will give the pro rata? Here issued how much? 50,000 shares. Okay. How much applied? 70,000 shares. Okay. So how you are going to give the treatment according to our second alternative? Simply, so what is the condition here? Every 5 application, 5 shares. Whoever applied 7 shares, okay, they allotted only 5 shares allotted. Understood? So every 7 shares, they allotted 5. That is called shares in proportion. Understood? For example, for applied for some 7 shares, one person applied for 7 shares, but they allotted only 5. That's what. Whoever applied, every 7 application, 5 shares are allotted. That's the conditions here coming in the shares in proportion. Second alternative. All applicants are allotted shares in proportion. Proportionately allotted. Every 7 shares are applied, 5 shares are allotted. That is the alternatively we consider for second alternative case. When over subscription of shares. Here whatever 70 applied shares, here we have to planning for only 50,000. So we are going to apply. Whoever applies 7 shares, we allotted for only 5 shares. Okay. So balance money refunded or adjusted for the share allotment money. Then when you will go for the exam, you understood for the second alternative. Now coming for the third alternative, very simple. See, it's a combination of the two alternatives, whatever our first and second. Okay, this is the combination of the our third alternative. You will take some important alternative for first alternative and second alternative. What is that? The combination of the two alternatives may be adopted. What is that? See, some applications are accepted in full. So whatever applied, we allotted fully. Then some applications are rejected. Okay. Proportionate allotment is made. So here the proportionate allotment is made to remaining. Here the same example I will explain here. So here first 20,000 whoever applied. Okay. Here whoever applied 20,000. Okay. Simply you allotted fully 20,000. Okay. So this is over for this one. Some applications are accepted in full. Okay. One alternative, one idea, one purpose is over, but one circumstances over. Some applications are accepted in full. So whatever applied 20,000 allotted. Okay. So balance what? Balance 30,000. So whatever 30,000 applied, totally rejected. Okay, rejected. I put it here, rejected. Okay, dash 30,000 rejected. So what is the balance here? Whatever 20,000 shares. Okay. Whatever 20,000 shares. So totally here 70. Okay. So here not 30. I mentioned 20. Okay, 30. Okay. So whatever 20,000 shares is the balance. So I am going to apply. Okay. So whatever applied 20,000, I have to give for the remaining how many shares here? I mentioned here, I changed here. Here 20,000, 20, 20, 40. Okay. So 20,000 shares rejected. The first one is whatever 20,000 application applied, totally allotted 20,000 shares. Okay. This one is allotted. Okay. The remaining whatever 20,000 applications are entirely rejected. They balance how much? 30,000 shares. Okay. So balance 30,000 shares. Here I make this 30,000 shares. Okay. So as a proportionate or equal. Okay. 30 plus 20, 70, then 20,000. You understood the same example. So whatever 70,000 here, totally how much applied? 70,000. Okay. So whatever 70,000, entire 20,000 allotted fully. Then whatever my 10,000. So I will change adjustment, then we will be able to understand. Here 10,000. Okay. Here 10,000 rejected. So only balance how much? Balance 40,000 shares. Okay. 40,000 shares. So whoever 40,000 apply, we consider only how much? 30,000 shares. That means what? Whoever applied for the 4 shares, we allotted only 3 shares. Here totally 50,000 shares allotted, it will be 10. Okay. That is the third alternative. So share, whatever the 20,000 application totally allotted in full. Some application are rejected, whatever 10,000 totally rejected. Okay. Thereafter, whatever the 40,000 remaining share, so total 70,000 applied, na? Whatever 40,000, applied only how much? 30,000 only. Okay, you understood? So balance whatever the money adjusted for further allotment. That's what our third alternative. So whatever first alternative, after the application allotted, balance money refunded. What is application money? Second alternative, so we are allotted again shares in proportion. What is the third alternative? Combination of both. That's what, whatever the, some applications are accepted in full, then some applications are rejected, then finally proportionate allotment is made to the remaining allotment money, remaining shares. Okay, that's what the three alternatives. Now we will see one by one with the example, the first, second, third alternatives. Okay, so just to see the three type of alternatives once again. Okay, now we are moving for the each alternative for the with the example. We are going to discuss now. Okay. Now let's see the first alternative, rejection of application. Okay, see given one example here. Kenstar company invited application for 1 lakh shares. Okay, how much they invited? 1 lakh shares of 10 each. Payable rupees 3 on application and rupees 3 on allotment. The balance whenever required. Okay, so depends upon the call, first call or second call. See the next line. How many shares actually applied? 1,20,000 shares are applied. Okay, applied. So applications are accepted for only how much? 1 lakh shares. Okay. And remaining applications were rejected. Allotment money was received on only how many shares? 99,500 shares. Okay, that is the second important thing. Past journal entries in the books of Kenstar Company Limited. Okay. Now we are going to prepare according to first alternative under over subscription of shares. How we are going to do? What is the first entry? See, first one, application received. How many applications received? 1,20,000 application received. Okay. So bank account data. See, bank account data. Bracket, I have to write how much? 1,20,000 into, what is the application money? 3 rupees. Okay. So into 3. So what's the total here? 3,60,000. Correct. 3,60,000 to share application account. To share application account. How much? 3,60,000. Okay. As you know, this is debit, then credit. Okay, simple. You understood the first entry? As a bank account data, we received application money. How much? 1,20,000 shares at the rate of 3 on application. We received how much? 3,60,000. So bank account data 3,60,000 to share application account 3,60,000. What is the narration? Being share application money received for 1,20,000 shares at the rate of 3 each. Okay. So narration is very, very important. That's what our first entry. Understood? Now, actually, how much shares you are going to issue? Issued only 1 lakh shares. But how much applied? 1,20,000 shares. Okay. Now we are going to give the effect for this. So remaining, they say remaining applications are accepted only 1 lakh shares. Thereafter, remaining applications are rejected. Now see the second transaction. Second transaction, we are going to transfer this share application money. How much to share capital account? Okay. So here, share application account data. How much? 3,60,000. Okay. So actually how much is going to transfer to share capital? Only 1 lakh. So this is the money for, again I will put in the bracket, I will explain you. So better safer side, always within the bracket, you have to give the explanation about the value of the amount, the description. Okay, here to share capital account, how much? So only 1 lakh only, correct? That's what, only 1 lakh we issued shares, okay. So here 1 lakh into 3, okay. So what is the value? 3 lakhs. Okay, so balance they are going to reject it, correct? That's what you have to write what? So whenever received money, what is the entry? Bank account debtor to share application account. Now you are going to repay the excess share application money. That excess how much? 20,000 shares. Okay, only 1 lakh only. 1 lakh shares only accepted. Balance 20,000 shares they rejected. So refunded to the whoever applied. That is the entry. You are going to pay to bank account. Okay, to bank account. How much? 20,000 into 3. Now understood? Your debit and credit entry. Repeat once again. When you received money towards a share application, bank account debtor to share application account. When you want to refund, you are going to reject the application money. Again, you can return back the money to the shareholder. What is the entry? Share application account debtor to bank. So here this is combined entry. So how much you are transferred share capital? Only 1 lakh shares. Application rupees 3 lakhs. Balance 60,000. I am rejected. I am going to refund that money. Okay, that's what our application account debtor to bank account 60,000. Okay, now see our debit balance 3,60,000. Credit balance also 3,60,000. So here what's the narration? Being share application transferred to share capital account and balance refunded. Okay, that means you are rejected. So only the whatever our application, this is issue, correct? 1 lakh only accepted here. So understood the second entry. Whenever refund, just reverse the entry. Whenever received money from the share application, bank account debtor to share application account. Now we want to refund or reject it. So reverse the entry. Share application account debtor to bank account. Now understood? That's what our second entry. So what is third one? Here, see, after application accepted for 1 lakh shares, we are given effect and remaining application was rejected. Thereafter, allotment money was received on only how much? 99,500. But here we want to give first due entry. What is the share allotment account? Here I will change the third entry. Here, see here, I will change it here itself. Okay. What is my third entry? Okay, I will change it here. So what is my third entry? Share allotment account. Correct. How much? Share allotment. 3 rupees on allotment. But only 1 lakh shares only now going to allot. What is the entry? Share allotment account data. See. Share allotment account data. How much? 1 lakh into 3 rupees. Okay, this 3 rupees. So how much? So 3 lakhs. So amount is changed here. Both sides. Okay, 3 lakhs. Okay. So to share allotment account data 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs to share capital account. To share capital account. How much? 3 lakhs. So what is the narration? Being share allotment money due for how many shares? For 1 lakh shares at rupees 3 each. Okay, that's what our the third journal entry. You understood? Because you want to give the actually how much you are supposed to receive as a allotment. That entry you have to pass. That is called due entry. Okay, that is the entry we pass here. Share allotment account at 3 lakhs. So within the bracket, you explain how you will got 3 lakhs. 1 lakh into 3, 3 lakhs. 2, share capital account 3 lakhs. Okay, narration being share allotment money due for 1 lakh shares at the rate of 3 each. Okay, now what is the payment received entry? That means payment entry, the fourth entry. Okay. So what is the fourth entry? Now we got cash. Okay. So what is the entry? So we got the cash. So bank account data. Bank account data. How much? Only 99,500 only received money. Okay. So that means what? Bracket 99,500 into 3. That means what? The 500 rupee, 500 shares, that particular share allotment is not given. So that is considered as what? Calls in arrears. Okay, you show as a calls in arrears, or we have to just close the account. Okay, that's what our fourth entry. What is the value? 99,500 into 3. What is the value? Exactly 2,98,500. Because 1,500 short. 500 into 3, 1,500. So received only how much? 2,98,500. That's what our share allotment money received. Okay. 2 share allotment account. Okay. 2 share allotment account. How much? 2 lakh. Or you want to show as a column here. I will show share allotment account 3 lakhs. Okay. 3 lakhs. But how much? Received only 99,500. Here I will show as a call in arrear. Okay, call in arrear. How much? Maybe 1,500. We can show, or directly we can write only the bank entry. What is the bank account? 2,98,500. Or call in arrear maybe 1,500. 2 share allotment account 3 lakhs. Or if you don't need, just we have to clear. We just to mention actually how much received. Our share allotment money. So how much received? Even though 3 lakhs, I received only 99,500 shares only. Okay, so 2 share allotment account 2,98,500. Narration I'm going to write being share allotment money. Being share allotment money received for 99,500 shares at the rate of how much? 3 each. Okay, that's what the narration. That's what the fourth thing. So balance they given whatever the balance money. See here, balance when required. So whenever they will call, that entry have to pass. Here very important. What is the first alternative? How you are going to give the effect of rejected of the application money, refunded money. That's what we enter second entry. Correct. So whenever received money, bank account attached to share application account. When you want to reject a refund money, again what is the entry? Share application account attached to bank account. That's why the reverse entry. But this is the first alternative. You practice how the entries will appear on the according to first alternative. Whenever rejection of application. Even 1 lakh shares only issued. How much people are applied? So 1,20,000 shares. Okay. So 1,20,000 shares. So what will happen? The accepted as it is 1 lakh shares. Remaining 20,000 shares be refunded. Okay. That's what a very important session here for the first alternative. How the rejection of application accounted here. Okay. So now we will see the second alternative. What is that? Maybe partial or pro rata allotment. Correct. The first one is the rejection of applications, the first alternative. Second alternative, partial or pro rata allotment. So what is the discussion for this very important one? Okay. See here there is an example. The application money 3 rupees. Okay. The allotment 2 rupees. A person, one of the shareholder, he applies how many shares? 200 shares. Okay. Even though you applied 200 shares, how much allotted actually? 60 shares. So just see what is the entry now. So when you do the entry, you understood. What is the first entry? What is the first entry? So as a bank account data, okay, so bank account data, how much is applied? 200 into 3. Okay, so 600. To share application account. Okay, 600. Narration being share application money, received for 200 shares. Okay, this is as usual, we pass the entry. Whenever share application money received, actually the particular shareholder, how much allotted? Only 60. So, how much is going to transfer the share capital? Now see the second entry. It's very important. I will explain here. What is second entry? Share application account. Okay. Whatever will credited, now you are debited. Share application account. Data. Okay. How much? 600. Okay. But actually, how much are going to transfer to share capital account? Share capital account. Only how much? 60 shares. Okay, that's what? 60 into 3 rupees. Okay. So 180. So balance, how much money is there? So as a 600 rupees is received, how much allotted? Only 60 shares. That is application money 180. So balance money, how much you are having? You are having 420 rupees. Okay. This 420 rupees, how you are going to utilize? As a partial or pro rata allotment. So whatever the 420 rupees received, 420 excess money towards application, how you are going to adjust? Here, the first example, you are going to adjust allotment, even any extra money available, you can utilize for calls for also. Okay. So whenever any calls they allowed, you can utilize for the first call and second call also. Yeah, that's what the any excess money. First, you are going to utilize for the allotment. See here, to share allotment, entire money to share allotment account. Actually, how much you are going to pay allotment? 2 rupees. Okay. So 60 into 2. So how much? 120. Okay. So now I minus 420 is available now. So I am going to utilize the further money for the share allotment also. So 0, 0, 413. So remaining 300 rupees, even I am going to utilize for the calls. So what I am going to write it here? 2, I consider as calls in advance. Okay. Calls in advance account. How much? 300 rupees. Okay. That's what this information you can clearly understood. You 200 shares they applied. But how much shares they accepted? Only 60 shares allotted. So what is the entry? Whatever money received towards 200 shares, bank account data to share application account 600. But how much are going to transfer? As a share application account 600 to share capital account only 60 only, because only 60 shares only we allotted. So 60 into 3 180. So again any balance money available, I'm going to transfer to share allotment account 120. Okay, that's whatever my 60 shares, anyway I'm going to pay 200. Now already received, now itself, okay, excess money. So excess application money, I'm going to utilize to for share allotment also. That's what 60 into 2, 120. So balance money, even after the share allotment, any excess money, I'm going to utilize for the calls, future calls. That's what I'm going to mention here, 2 calls in advance account. So understood? So what is the narration? Being excess share application money adjusted towards share allotment and calls due also. Okay. So in future any first call or second call, this money are going to utilize. That is one of the first example. To understand the second one. So what is the third example? Suppose whatever money I am going to receive, balance I don't want to keep it. I want to refund it after utilization of share allotment. So what is the entry? Simply here I will show you. That is the second example. The first example, I utilized first share allotment, excess money, utilized for share allotment. Thereafter, any excess money available, I am going to utilize for the calls in advance account. Okay. But what is the next example? Same entry, share application account. Data, how much? 600. Okay. To share capital. To share capital. So whatever, my 60 into 3. So 180. Again, I am going to utilize for the share allotment. Again, to share allotment. Allotment account. 60 into 2. So 120. So what is the balance? After 600, this is the balance. This what I have to do. I am going to adjust for the future calls. I want to refund. So how I have to give the entry? To bank account. To bank account. Remaining amount. Okay. This was my second situation. First situation, I am going to utilize whatever the balance application money to us as a share allotment and any calls. But here, once utilization of the share allotment, I excess application money, balance, I want to refund. Okay, that's what the entry here. Here, being share application money adjusted, application money adjusted for share allotment and balance refunded. Okay, that's what our second situation. First situation, I am till utilization of all the money. Once I receive 600, I keeping an utilization for share allotment and further calls. Here, once utilized for balance application money for share allotment, remaining money, I simply refund. That's what share application account returned to bank account. Now see the debit 600, credit also 600. That's why two situation. As a success or application money, you can utilize it for share allotment and calls also. Or once you allotted money adjusted, balance money, you can able to refund. That's what the two situation. Any excess application money in the second alternative, partial or pro rata allotment. Here, what is the pro rata? Whatever 200 shares, only 60 shares allotted. Okay, as a pro rata basis. The person applied 200 shares, but he got only 60 shares. So whatever the application of the 200 shares, utilized for the two different situations, you understood according to second alternative. Okay, I hope that you understood first alternative, full objection of application. Second alternative, issue partial or pro rata allotment. So third alternative, subsequent class will discuss detailing, that is a bigger one. Okay, so I hope that first you have to practice for the two alternative. Okay, so I hope that you understood this session. Okay, thank you very much.